Hello, and thank you for joining me again at English Fun Academy. And today we're going to do the past simple questions, okay? Questions in the simple past tense or the past simple. Basically these are questions using did, okay? Starting your question with did. And one of the main things to remember about this when you're asking questions in the past simple is you do not change these verbs, okay? Eat stays as eat. It does not change to ate. Buy stays as buy. It does not change to bought. Okay? And this can be very vexing for, for people that are new to English or even for, other English speakers can sometimes make these mistakes. So again, buy stays buy, pray, teach, swim, take, write. Remember, please do not change the verbs. Do me a favor. All right, so let's begin. Did I eat with you yesterday? Yes, you did, or no, you didn't. Did you buy many things at the shops? Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Did he pray at church on Sunday? Yes, he did, or no, he didn't. Did she teach you everything you needed to know? Yes, she did, or no, she didn't. Did it swim in the lake? If you're talking about, let's say, a dog or something. Did it swim in the lake or a fish or something? Yes, it did, or no, it didn't. Did you take your books to school, or did you take your things to the park? Yes, we did, or no, we didn't, okay? Did we write enough in our essays? Yes, you did, or no, you didn't, or, yes, we did, or, no, we didn't, if you're including yourself in the group of we. And again, these are plural, you, we, and they are plural subjects. So, did they write enough in their essays? Yes, they did, or no, they didn't. Okay, so again, I, you, he, she, it, these are singular, with questions with did, simple past questions, or plural, you, we, and they. So you obviously has two applications. You can use it in the singular or use it in the plural if you're talking about one person or more than one person. And again, let me just state this one more time with the, at the risk of sounding redundant. Do not change these verbs. Did I eat, not did I ate. Did you buy, not did you bought. Just remember these verbs do not change. Okay? And that being said, let's move on to the examples. So, did you run today? Did you run today? Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Did I see you yesterday? Did I see you yesterday? Yes, you did, or, no, you didn't, if it's the negative. Did they agree, did they agree to the contract? Or did they agree to meet you next week? Yes, they did, or no, they didn't, okay? Did she like it? If you're talking about, say if you proposed to your girlfriend or something, did she like it? Did she like the ring? Yes, she did, or no, she didn't, which could be very bad, right? Or did she like the gift? Say it's your anniversary or, what have you. Did she like it? Did she like the gift or, something like that? Yes, she did, or no, she didn't. And I'm just trying to give you some practical, real-world examples of how to use these sentences. So anyway, the past simple, the questions in the past simple tense are pretty straightforward. As long as you remember the one simple rule that you do not change these verbs, you use the base form or the infinitive with the, with the verbs here. Okay, so eat, buy, pray, teach, swim, take, write, go, run, whatever. They stay the same. So just kind of remember that. And then did, you use did with all the different subjects. Did you run today? Did I see you yesterday? Did they agree? Did she like it? So just, you use did for all of them, for all the subjects. So it's pretty straightforward. It doesn't change. All right. And in the singular and plural, they both stay the same. All right, so that's it. That's basically it for the past simple. It's not extremely complicated if you can just remember not to change these from the base form or the infinitive. And thank you very much for joining me. I hope that's been informative. I've done my best. And if you have any questions, whatever, feel free to ask me. I really appreciate your time and your dedication to learning English. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful, wonderful day or night wherever you are.